welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna try to bake some cookies because you're all advised to stay home now. So I thought, why not try my hands on something new, and I've been craving for some cookies for a while now. So I decided to make one of my own, and I have the double chocolate chunk from Betty Cookle. So yeah, let's get right into it and hopefully it turns out well. I'm gonna use the cookie mix recipe over here to guide me. So we have the ingredient right over here, which is the cookie mix, and then we have the egg and water, which I put in this tiny Starbucks cup, as well as the vegetable oil. So let's get mixing and yeah. So just pour everything in and then you mix it in. Just make sure to get the milliliter right, and then you'll look something like this before you start mixing. So I use a whisk and a bowl to mix it all together. It turns out a little bit watery, but do rest ensure that it will turn out well. So yeah. So I'll be using this cook and bake parchment paper to put on the pan that I'll be using to put my cookie dough, so that it doesn't stick on the pan and it will be removed easily. And this is my first time using this, so I'm pretty lost. So I cut it roughly about this size and to keep my pan over here, and then I'll put my cookie dough here and here and here, and then put it right in the oven. So yeah, let's hope it all goes well. So after the dough is ready, you can take a tablespoon like me and then just scoop it out and place it on the parchment paper. For me, I put it around like 2 centimeters away from each cookie dough because it'll expand when you put it in the oven itself. So yeah, it's pretty simple to make and it smells really heavenly. Then you put the cookie in for about 5 to 8 minutes before taking it out, and voila, you're done. And it's really yummy and it's really tasty. I really love it. So this is the finished cookies and I really love it. I can't wait to put another batch in, and it's super tasty as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Taste test time, and I really love it. It's so crunchy and